scrappers, this is Megan and I am back today with a new process video for you. So for today's video, I am using my October scrapbooking store kit. This video is going up so late, obviously because it's already November and I'm using my October kit. And the month of October just totally went by way too fast. I only made this one 12 by 12 layout and then two traveler's notebook pages in my October documented album with this kit, and it kind of bums me out. Like, I'm still going to use this kit, but the month just went by way too fast. I was going to do so much with this kit. I love fall scrapbooking supplies. Anyway, here you can see I have two photos of myself, and this was, I want to say this was like the last day or two of September when the leaves in my front yard started turning orange, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get a photo, because today's the first day that I'm seeing color change. So I just snapped a couple of quick photos with the leaves on the trees behind me, and I decided to make this page all about fall. So here you can see I have cut out a couple of mats. I matted the two photos with the red plaid, or gingham I guess is what it is, and then I glued both of those down on the leaf paper, and then I am going to glue that whole yellow matte piece, which is actually the leaf pattern paper. I'm going to glue that onto this this gingham red paper. And I really, really love how this layout turns out. I also used a challenge from the Victoria Marie You're a Wizard crop. She did a virtual crop in November, and I used one of the challenges. Was it November? October? What? I was like, wait a minute, that sounds wrong. It was in October. It was, I think, the very first weekend of October. Here you can see I am putting some glue onto this fun foam. Of course, I wanted to add a little bit of dimension on the page. I just thought it would make the layout a lot more fun. So here I'm just going to start embellishing using the stickers that came in the main kit for October. If you are interested in buying, I'm not sure if we have more of this kit. We might, possibly in the store. But if you want to also subscribe to the Kit Club, it is an awesome Kit Club. If you're looking for one that's not crazy expensive, but you're still going to get quality supplies, you need to sign up for this Kit Club. I absolutely love it. And they always are using collections that I really love, but yet I never was able to get that collection, and so it's kind of nice. They go back and get older collections. Sometimes they get newer collections, but it's just a really good variety. Okay, now I'm going to start gluing everything down onto the photo cluster. You can see I did a little cluster up in that top right hand corner, and then now I'm going to start thinking about the title. So I knew I wanted to do Fall is in the Air. I mean, that's just, you have to have at least one layout, right, every year with that title. So I'm going to use the Scripty Alpha, and then I'm also going to use this mini Alpha. I think it's like a coppery color, it kind of looks rose gold, but I don't think it is rose gold. I think it's more copper. So I am going to kind of play around with the placement of the title for a little while. I think that probably took me the longest on this layout was the title. I don't know why that happens, but it does sometimes. It throws me for a loop. So here you can see I'm just placing the title down up above the photos, and now I'm going to do a few more of the leaves that came in the embellishment kit. So the way that the Scrapbooking Store Kit Club works is you have a main kit and then you have an embellishing kit. And so the main kit is going to be papers, and sometimes you'll get a sticker sheet or ephemera pack or something. And then the upgrade kit is going to be 2 or 3 extra add-ons. So embellishments, alphas, whatever else they add on to the kit, it's going to come in the upgrades. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you use my link below, because I do get a little bit of credit for getting you to sign up. So I would really appreciate the help. Okay, here I am just cutting up this little frame piece. It was part of the 3x4 card cut apart pattern paper, and I'm just going to do my journaling on that, and then this layout is done. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out all the links below, and I will see you again very soon with a new layout using the November kit. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!